Okay, so I'm not going to lie. I've been sick. I've been sick for about a week now. And what I mean by sick, I've been sick without my car. Like, I haven't had my car for a whole week, and that, to me, that is a long time. So I'm sick, I'm car sick. I don't have my car. I miss the shifting. I miss the rev matching. I miss everything right now about my car. Today, hopefully today, is supposed to be the day that I get my car back from getting my long tubes put on. And man, I can't wait. I cannot wait. Like I'm so curious about how it's gonna sound. Because it's just the fact that, like, yeah, full cutback, which involves the X pipe. And with Corsa long tube headers put on, that's gonna be crazy, yo. I remember I was gonna get Corsa Extremes, you know, that involves a double X pipe, but I didn't feel like going through, like, I know I wasn't gonna do it, but it just the fact like I didn't want to go through, you know, you gotta cut pipes on my car and then, you know, fit it, clamp it. Other than that, man, I'm just ready to see what my setup is gonna be like. It's gonna be crazy. But I just wanted to talk to y'all to get this vlog started differently, you know, get something to eat.
Wellington, this is Lindsay. You can order when you're ready.
Yes, ma'am. Can I have a 10-piece boneless wing, sweet and spicy sauce?
10 sweet and spicy boneless.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Can you add a large fry with that, and make that drink a large fruit punch?
I see fruit punch.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I have a 10 traditional sweet and spicy with a large fry and a large fruit punch. I see $16.98 at the window.
16. And that's a 20 in it. And that's a 20. 16?
Can I get 3 mac and cheese?
Can you what? Can I get my Mustang today, please?
Have a great day.
You too. Have a great day. Yes, I will. Now, not only that I think that my car is gonna be loud, I think I'm gonna make a nice amount of, like, torque, horsepower, which I'm so happy that I said this on camera. Y'all, comment down below. If you watching this whole video, I know y'all watching this whole video because y'all rock with me. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. But I know y'all heard me say boneless. Look at this. Do this look boneless? That ain't boneless. Dang. I'm so happy I came. You know what? I'm not even tripping. At least you got the flavor right, so I'm not even gonna go back over there and trip. And to be honest, like, I see y'all see me. I don't know when's the next time y'all gonna see me. Like, I want my car back today, but it's raining, and you know, I don't want to drive my car in the rain. I want to vlog for y'all, but man, it's gonna be, I can't drive how I want to drive in the rain, yo. Ugh, all this dang rain.
24 hours later.
Rain there, another rainy day, man. So basically now the car is supposed to be finished today, but I just came up here early, you know, just to see how it's going, to get some footage and everything, really to check on the car. But other than that, man, we should be good to go today. So I'm gonna take y'all up in here with me and we're gonna see what's going on. I gotta pee though, man. I've been drinking nothing but water. Man. But yeah, though, we about to go see up in here what's going on though. You feel me though? Yeah though. Alright, as you see, made it back to the shop. Just waiting on my mechanic. There go my pipes. Everything is done. Just got to install the whole pipe set and the X pipe. The headers are put up. And man, I just can't wait to get this over with. Hopefully he can go ahead and get this done, because like I said, we had run into a couple problems. I had to get some other clamps, had to make some adjustments and modifications. Man, it's been a process, but I'm just ready to go ahead and get this over and done with. They go to headers. They look good too. Like I said, just had to make some adjustments. They go to starter. You still got to do the O2 sensors. But other than that, man, just got to get that installed and some other minor things. That's the easy part. Installing the pipes, those are easy. But other than that, man, it's gonna be game over. Hey y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I'm so ready. I'm so ready to get this done. Ready to see how my car gonna sound, cause I know it's gonna be loud. Ow. Man. But yeah, still waiting. I really want some different rims. What kind of rims should I get? Cause I'm tired of these rims, especially when you gotta clean them. Don't get me wrong, they some nice rims, but you keep them clean, they look good. But it's like, once they dirty, it make the whole car look dirty. All that brake dust, like, damn. But yeah, man. Can't believe I'm getting this done. It's about time I'm getting this done. I can't believe I got these damn headers up. I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry if my mechanic don't come on, because I'm gonna cry some more. Next time y'all see me, it's gonna be when he finally get here. I'm gonna go find something to do. I need to run to the store, I think. I don't know, but I'll see y'all when I see y'all, man. Yeah, dawg. We getting there. We getting there. He just gotta do a couple more extra. Yeah, just a couple more extras.
You need to re-stand while you there.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, my mechanic told me, he said the stuff that y'all see on YouTube, man, that it
A lot of behind the scenes.
yeah, it's a whole lot of behind the scenes.
That you ain't seen.
Trust me, he know.
Trust me, my boy got a cheap job. Ain't nobody else get it done. So don't even call and ask.
Big
He gonna
fact.
get his price.
Just me, this really like a once in a lifetime. So, but other than that, he got everything hooked up. Just got to do some more adjustments, and after that, shit, yeah, I'll be good to go. Yes, sir. Only if y'all knew, man. Only if y'all knew. But back to my Dukes whip. Yeah, buddy.
One eternity later.
Oh yeah. All them oils and fumes. Yes, sir. Oh, a lot of smoke. Still gotta let that burn off.